everyone. Here we are in Tennessee, in US, and we're starting our trip hike into the amazing, unique place, Smoky Mountains, originally inhabited by the native civilizations, by the native tribes of Chile. And we just stopped here by this beautiful creek. It's shining and already very enticing and exciting to feel the energy of these lands, to hear the messages. It's springtime, so very green, and Javier has been there in autumn time, and now we're experiencing in the flourish of the nature. Are you enjoying? So here we are. We came to the highest point of the drive through Smoky Mountains, and we were just stretching a bit here. Javier is very warm in the sleeping bag because it's really freezing here. I'm wearing 3 sweaters, and here is the amazing view. The mountains always, especially high mountains, disconnect a lot the mind, so you find kind of like losing the normal current of thoughts, and you're like realigning, I guess. Hard to talk much here, so we're gonna be having a hike through this place soon. So that's a little harder than when you're just in the forest on flatter ground, because you're walking up and it's high. But we're just reached the part with the observatory, the point where we can observe the whole view. And have you been here before? Okay, so let's check it out. Very fresh but sunny. Javi went off to wash the grapes. He's powerful. Rick. Here is the mission done. Grapes. What else do we have here? Cheese, bananas. continuing our hiking week with Javi and with his friend Daria. So Daria is showing us the local beauties in Tennessee and close states. So today I feel this place really nice. It's like a canyon with waterfalls, a lot of waterfalls called cloudland, and it's very beautiful, peaceful, nice. There are 1,200 stairs that we're about to take before we go to the deep of the canyon and before we can start exploring all of the waterfalls here. But it already feels so amazing. I've been feeling a little bit tired from so many days of traveling and hiking, but it's definitely worth it. Just look at this. Just look at this huge stone. It's beautiful, massive, natural. So yeah, it's very, I'd say, very replenishing to hike along water among the trees while there is water, because in the summer it's gonna be all dried out. So here start the stairs, 1,200. Let's see how much time it takes us to. It's a treasure to have so much water and greenery. Like, I love Spanish nature, but it doesn't have that much of greenery. Well, in the north it does, but I often go to the south and in Barcelona. This is so pacifying to hear the water. It's down there already. And so pacifying to see these layers of the wood. Mostly about mountain waterfalls, more like canyons, rivers, because they are having such a strong stream. Waterfalls vertical, rivers horizontal, and that's very cleansing for the mind. It's refreshing, it's replenishing for the body due to the cold fresh water. And this connection deeper into the earth, I feel like it connects you more to the core of the earth. I feel it's much more replenishing than, let's say, like sea. The sea, I enjoy the sea, I enjoy the ocean, but I feel more tired after that, rather than I feel very nourished by the waters in the deep, the mountain canyons and the valleys with a lot of trees. It's very nice. Just did 1,200 steps down, 3 waterfalls we swam into, and now we almost finished our 1,200 steps up. It feels like somebody is been pumping up your legs, which is a nice forgotten feeling for me. I want to feel.
This was Cloudlands in technically North Georgia. We just finished coming back from Smoky Mountains National Park in Tennessee and North Carolina. And just enjoying Tennessee all in general. Hope you enjoyed the show. This land full of waterfalls, rivers, caverns, caves, and lots of green.
Careful.
Wait.
Careful.
Danger.
Holes in the ground.